Hi, what's going on, guys? This is me, Anafan, and welcome back to techaply. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Is your action cam 4K with Wi-Fi connection not working? And you would try to connect your action cam to PC via a USB cable, and it's just connecting anyway. Well, today I'm going to show you 4 possible ways to fix your action cam that can't connect to PC and successfully transfer videos and photos to your PC. So let's get started. Way number 1. Check if your USB ports are faulty. I don't know how old is your PC, but sometimes faulty USB ports might happen if yours are getting too old. So check if your USB ports are having any problems. Most of the laptops come with more than one USB ports, and that is a good option for alternative under any cases. To check if your ports are faulty, use a USB cable to plug your phone or any other devices and see if it works. If your USB port gone wrong and it won't work on both action cam and phone, check all other ports to see which port is working fine and which doesn't. One bonus tip here is to use an air blower to start dust off your USB ports on laptop. Since USB ports can contain much of the dust which might prevent this function properly working. Now, let's move to way number 2. Way number 2. Change the USB cable. One of the most common errors why your action cam not working is due to the USB cable incompatibility or a faulty USB cable. So consider to change the cable just in case that your current one is not recognized through laptop connection. It is always recommended to use the cable that you've got when buying the action cam. However, you might try other cables as well to make sure your current one is not faulty then. Notice that you might want to use the phone USB cable to check if it works. If it works, then you know that your action cam cable is wrong. Alongside with the changing cable, you should be able to check the settings on your action cam. Some action cams come with USB configuration mode when plugging in. Therefore, choose the right mode to get connected and file transferred. If this doesn't work, then consider the way number 3 down below. Way number 3. Transfer files through action cam Wi-Fi connection. If you can't use USB cable to transfer files, then you can use the action cam's Wi-Fi connection. It's easy way to transferring. Just in case that your action cam Wi-Fi can't connect to your laptop or something wrong is with the connection, you can do this as well. Connecting your action camera to your phone through Wi-Fi and then transfer files to your phone. Then from there, transfer the files to your PC. Let me just demo it here on my action cam Ecam H9R. First, we need an action cam app on the phone. Get this app from Play Store. Now turn on the camera. Press on the arrow down button to activate the Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is on as well. Next, tap on Wi-Fi connection on your phone and choose to connect to Action Cam's Wi-Fi. Once it's connected, go to the Action Cam app, then start saving the videos and photos to your phone. Remember, it might take up phone storage until you finally move these files to your PC. Once this is done, connect your phone to laptop, then start copying files to your PC. Of course, this time using a good USB cable. And voila! You've got all the needed files to be transferred. Way number 4. Use a USB card reader. Just in case that way number 3 is not convenient for you, then trying a USB card reader might work better. Most of the action cams need a micro SD card for storage. Therefore, we can withdraw the SD card out of the action cam slot and then use a USB card reader for file transferring. This is a very easy way, but make sure you remove your SD card carefully and relocate it well for each time using. You can check out on other videos of mine here on how to use Action Cam micro SD card. Furthermore, you need to check up your SD card if it is working fine or not. Sometimes a faulty SD card might also be the problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video gives you good help in successfully connect your action cam to PC for file transferring purpose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see ya in the next video. Goodbye for now.